Okay, so this is going to be part 2 of the camera equipment. About a week after I made the first video about camera equipment, I got a new GoPro for Christmas, so that's added to it. So I thought I'd do a little size comparison on those two GoPros. So this part is being filmed with my iPhone, and so then I'll film some of this video with this and some of this video with this new one, and then we can kind of do a comparison. So anyway, here is the picture and audio for the iPhone. Here is the video and audio with the GoPro 7 Black. Okay, and this is video and audio with the GoPro 9 Black. Alright, so this is what the case itself looks like from GoPro. It's got the normal place up here to put like the owner's manual and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. Here's a place for, this is what it comes with, and this gives you a place for that and a place for the camera, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna probably not be using this. I'll figure a way to make it fit in my orange case, but this is the case that came with the camera. Anyway, just showing that. So let's do a size comparison. Okay. So I'll put out a paper towel so that maybe the color of that will help it show up on camera more. So here is the GoPro 7 Black, and then here's the new GoPro 9 Black. So get a little closer here. So here is the size comparison. I'm going to try to get it from all angles here. So that's them side by side. There's the top, so you can see the height difference. Come out, they pull out to have a place to mount to a stick or whatever you're using. Try turn them both on. Standard size tripod like I mentioned in the other video that I keep in the trunk, but these are the other tripods and various things I use to make videos. So this is just one of those octopus tripods, so it just moves in all directions, so you can clamp it to stuff or use it as a regular tripod. Most of the time I just use this, and it telescopes out a little ways and it turns into a tripod on the bottom. So I use that like for probably 9 times out of 10. I also use this a lot, and then I have a longer one of those now. And then I have this thing that I can put my phone or GoPros on, and it also turns into a tripod. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Anyway, you fold these out all the way, and then it turns into a tripod. And right now I have a phone mount on it, but you could mount the GoPro hardware to that as well. And it just folds up like this. And then of course this raises out. Anyway, it's like a nice grip, but those are the main things that I use. besides the standard tripod, which I occasionally use. And that's it.